Christian Jackson. Today we have a sneaker website review, and it is from, I believe, it is from where I think it is. It is from Index PDX. They are located in Oregon. I have purchased at least 10 things from them in the past couple years. They've never done me wrong, I'd say. They have satisfied every single order, and that is pretty damn good in itself. As far as price range goes, prices are actually pretty fair on this website. I think they're pretty solid. They have samples, player samples, PEs. Website navigation is pretty outstanding. As in, the website is pretty well built. I don't really have any complaints with that. Shipping took 2 days. This came double boxed, and let's get to it. I'm not going to review the shoe itself because there's really no point. It does come with the receipt, as I peeked before I made this, because I have a whole bunch of stuff coming in, and I really don't know. I want to make sure I review the right thing, per se, because there's some items I just don't review. Or not items, but web shops, or it's usually eBay purchases, and there's really no point of doing that, so that's why I don't. All items are pretty much the same, like shirts, shirts, shoes, clothes, whatever. I'm an online shopper, what can I say? So I got a YEEZY, as you can see. It is a YEEZY, let's see, what? Let me zoom in. Let's see if I can get this. Take a guess what it is with that style code. You're saying, what is that gibberish? It's the YEEZY Frozen Yellow. Yes, it is the YEEZY Frozen Yellow. It's a bit confusing. 5.5. Let's see if I can open this real quick. And there you go. I paid $317, which is a very good deal. So out of a 5, what would I rate this web shop? I'm a hard grader when it comes to reviewing things, per se, and I'm going to have to give this a solid 4.8 out of 5. What would it need to be out of a 5? I don't know. Give me a discount code. Next, no, just kidding. I don't. If you know me personally, I am not a beggar, and I am not I am a anti-handout type of guy. So that's that. I mean, just Index PDX they're the truth, as they say. They are the truth. So that's that. Thank you for listening, watching. We'll see you in the next one.